again, traders, and welcome back to the Pro Trader Network. Happy New Year. I hope you had a very relaxing and enjoyable holiday season. We had a heavy news week last week, along with some intervention from the People's Bank of China, which threw the markets into a massive sell-off, especially for those currencies that are correlated to the Chinese commodities market and Chinese productivity, specifically the Aussie and the Kiwi currencies. And we can look here on our 4-hour charts. Massive sell-off here on the Aussie dollar, creating some potential bullish divergence. Market baseline well into the extreme, looking for a potential reversal there. Same thing with the Kiwi dollar. Same thing Aussie yen. Same thing Kiwi yen. Aussie CAD double bottom, not quite to the extreme here for our market baseline. Dollar CAD showing some potential bearish divergence. Here we have a retest of this high at the 141.70s with the second wave to the downside here at the extreme 68 on our TDI. Potential bearish divergence here being created. Pound Kiwi. Euro appreciating. Here's our Euro crosses here, traders. Euro appreciating midweek after some historical lows during the fourth quarter of 2015. So look for the euro to continue to rally. Potential reversals happening though as we reach these new structure highs. If we take out these previous highs, look for potential bearish divergence occurring on our 4-hour charts. But for now, euro clearly bullish here on most of our 4-hour charts, taking a big sell-off against the yen, however, as during the so-called risk-on phase of these currencies, you can see that all currencies depreciated against the yen, which at this particular time was considered somewhat of a safe haven currency after the Chinese news. So you can see euro yen selling off, pound yen selling off. Look at the way below the 32, well into the extreme here. So maybe perhaps a retest here of the bottom, creating some bullish divergence. We'll have to see there. And again, we pointed out the Aussie yen and Kiwi yen showing some bullish divergence currently. Now that the heavy news week is behind us, along with non-farm payroll, let's see if the markets can follow a little bit more rationally behind some scheduled high impact announcements versus a lot of these economic interventions by government entities such as the People's Bank of China. Thanks again for checking in here at the Pro Trader Network, and as always, let's stay focused, follow our rules, and I'll see you next time.